How to change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. For that, you have to unsync both of the application. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Instagram application. Once you check that, simply launch Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now tap on human icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there on the top right, you will see three lines. Tap on it and go to the settings and activity and tap on your account center. Now go through your profile and select Facebook. Again, select say Facebook. There you will see sync profile info option. Make sure that it is toggled off. Once you unsync both of the application, whenever you change Instagram profile picture, Facebook profile picture will not be changed. In this way, you can easily solve this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.